I approached Cambridge Solar to see what they could offer because they're a local company. I wanted somebody who I could speak to honestly and get honest replies from.
I've always had a preference for dealing with smaller local businesses anyway, because it means you're more likely to be dealing with the person that actually owns and runs the businesses. And from the first contact that I had with Cambridge Solar right through the whole process, the decision that I made was justified, I think.
The name of the owner, Owen Morgan, was mentioned a few times as part of conversations I had within the Transition Energy Group. Immediately I felt that he knew what he was talking about. He wasn't trying to do a sales pitch on me. He was really listening and giving a technical opinion and a technical answer, and that's what I was after. From that point on, I didn't go and do comparison with other vendors because I thought that's the right type of person I want to work with. I'm going to have a trusted advisor if I selected Cambridge Solar.